my intellect was debating my intuition. That made no sense at all. Why should I go an hour early, right before New Year's, busy? But I did. I decided to follow my intuition. I parked the car, I started walking around, and guess who I ran right into? I felt in that moment I had won, I mean, not just the lottery, but the lottery of the universe. I mean, that was so incredible, and I also felt guilty for interrupting him. But then I had Michael Jordan's quote play in my mind that said, you lose 100% of the shots you don't take. And so I decided to walk over and introduce myself. And it has been an incredible journey. I cannot recognize the person that walked over to Mr. Bob that day. But I would like to bring him out here if he's around. Mr. Bob?
Give Anders a big hand. Okay. Come on. That was very cool.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You want to go see his Real Magic live show.
You had so much to do, and you're such a productive person, and you could have done so many other things, but offering me to sit down with me and talk to me on January 2nd of 17. But you did that, and you were so gracious with your time, and it has changed everything. Everything. I mean, it brought an idea to life, and I had to borrow your belief in me in the beginning. I didn't believe in it myself, but when you said, that's a heck of a good idea, I borrowed your belief in me, and today we're doing a global tour with that concept. But not...
Very good.
But I figured, what do you give a man that has, you know, the biggest hookup to infinite supply? I mean, you know, you must have had that moment with Raymond Stanford. What in the world could you give to that person? So I decided to tap into my creativity and combine the concept of the infinite flow of supply with an illusion. And I had it built, and it took about 3-4 months' time, but it's down here, so if you wouldn't mind coming with me. And so if we can have some light on it, that would be wonderful. It's the infinite faucet of supply.
Read it.
So, it is for you, wherever you can fit it, in your studio, outside the studio, but it says, it says on it.
Read it. Read this thing.
So, it says on it, from my heart to yours, thank you for waking me up from living an illusion myself and seeing the truth. As a result, hundreds all over the world have already transformed their lives by becoming aware of the infinite faucet of supply. Millions will do the same in the years to come. It is so forever. Your eternally grateful friend, Anders.
Wow. I hope you streamers can see that. That is so cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.